Hi everyone. Okay, so I got in the Stamps of Life. My 2 kits I get from them, and the LaLaLand crafts. So let's open them. And we have, let's see. Oh, it's flowers. Posies. Posies. Oh, there we are. Look down. And then the matching dies are here. So these are your little samples. So cute. Oh, this is cute. I like it. So this one, I think the price went up. I think it's like $26 now, 26 and change. So yeah, so that's what you got for 26. And then the this is the folded set, and I haven't canceled this one yet, but it's in the $40 range, and it's a little bit steep. So 40 or 49, something like that. It's between 40 and 50 bucks. I don't even know. But it's a camper. How sweet is that? I think I already, yeah, I have a camper. I have a camper from, I think, MFT, I think. So, but this one, of course, is, they can't be the same. So, this one's more like oblong, maybe? Is that, do you get that out of that? And of course, it's a folded, so it's way different. But yeah, super cute. And then you have the stencils, and they are cactus. And oh, I think you get more than that though. Let's see. Let's open it, you guys. That way you guys can totally see. Oh, you have the cactus. Okay, so you have the cactus right here, and then you have all the little, I don't know if you'll be able, yeah. You have all the little stuff that can go on it. All the yeah, something like that. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but they have like the banner and let's see, there we go. Cute stuff. So that looks like the, oh, and it looks like you can put some of these on to the, this is like the banner right there, I think. So yeah. Oh, and see, you can stencil the door. Here we go. So stencil the door with the dots that are on there. So it's the size of the door. Then you have the banner, and then you have, what else on here? You have for the tire, you have the little thing for the tire right here. Oh, you can see it better there. See, so yeah, so it's all the little embellishments you can put onto your camper. So then you have the curtains and stuff. So yeah, alrighty. So super cute, like it. Oh goodness. And then we have LaLaLand, which I don't even know what this one is. I don't even know what the picture of it is. Let's see. I didn't see any sneaks. Oh, and it's already going to be the 15th again, because this gets revealed and charged on the 15th of every month. And this one is, I think, $50. So, but I won't cancel this one. This one I love. Okay, and this is, okay, so this is Marcy. This is Marcy, and she's in the garden. Oh, and look at the little, are these hamsters, chipmunks? I just found out what gnolls are. So, yeah, Gardener Marcy. And then these are the dies right here. I love it, you guys. This is so cute. Very, very cute. And it's a $91 value that we get for like 50 bucks. So, pretty cool. These come out, I think, a year or so after we get them as a subscription. Then she releases them to the public. So, these are big size too. But I love it. All the veggies, the wheelbarrow, the box. Super cute. Love it. Alright guys, we'll see y'all in a couple weeks. Bye.